Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tim here, and welcome back to another awesome Minecraft video for you guys today. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Minecraft Windows 10 Edition for absolutely free from Microsoft Store. So it's not clickbait. So first of all, do me a favor and leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And let's go. So first step you have to do is open your Microsoft Store. Okay, this was on already. So you guys can see you have to click on this side and sign in. So you guys have to basically click on this, continue, and you'll see something. You have to, then it will ask you to sign in. So I will put this link in the description down below so you guys can have this, alright? You have to just, this account, put it in the account place like this. Next, and it will ask for your password, so I will give it in this password and this in link description down below so you guys can have it. So copy it again. Here we go, and you just have to put this like this. So, and that will ask for your password if you are not signed in previously. I was signed in previously, so it won't ask me. So first, then you have to do is search for Minecraft. That's basically. So you'll search for Minecraft, and it will be saying that it's owned. I'm just kidding. You guys can see that owned. So click on it, and install it, and play it, whatever you guys want to do. And it's not clickbait. So you guys can see you own the game. Yes, we own the game. Official game is owned. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications, and make sure you guys watch my other videos. I've played Call of Duty, Pocket Tanks Deluxe, and Minecraft. So I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.